Today we're diving into a fascinating topic that's going to be tons of help for a lot of folks out there. Powerful herbs that can protect and even repair your vision. Now, our eyes are incredible organs that allow us to experience the beauty of the world around us. But as we get older, or if we're not careful, our vision can start to deteriorate. That's where these amazing herbs come in. Nature has provided us with natural remedies packed with antioxidants and nutrients that can shield our eyes from harm and even undo some of the existing damage. So whether you're struggling with age-related eye issues, too much screen time, or just want to keep your eyes in top shape, this video is for you. Let's dive right in. Number 1. Ginkgo biloba. Up first on our list of vision-protecting herbs is the ancient ginkgo biloba. This incredible tree has been around for millions of years and was revered in traditional Chinese medicine for its healing powers. It contains powerful antioxidants and compounds that can improve blood flow to the eyes and optic nerve. Better circulation means your eyes get all the nutrients and oxygen they need to function at their best. But that's not all. Ginkgo has also been shown to help protect the eyes from oxidative stress and inflammation, which are major contributors to age-related macular degeneration and other vision problems. Moving on to number 2. Bilberry next up. We have a true superfood for your eyes, the mighty bilberry. This little powerhouse of a berry has been used for centuries in Europe to support vision and eye health. You see, bilberries are absolutely packed with antioxidants called anthocyanins. These powerful plant pigments act like a suit of armor for your eyes, shielding them from damaging free radicals and inflammation. During World War II, British pilots even ate bilberry jam before their night missions, because it was believed to improve night vision. And you know what? There's actually some truth to that old tale. Bilberries contain compounds that can help improve blood flow to the eyes and strengthen the capillaries in the retina. This increased circulation delivers more oxygen and nutrients to your eyes, which can enhance night vision and reduce eye strain. Number 3. Saffron. Ah, the vibrant and exotic saffron. This golden spice isn't just a culinary delight. It's also great for your eyes. Saffron is loaded with powerful antioxidants called crocin and crocodin. These compounds also act as a natural shield against oxidative stress and inflammation, which, like we discussed, are two major culprits behind vision problems like cataracts. Studies have suggested that saffron may be just as effective as certain prescription drugs in treating vision loss caused by age-related macular degeneration. Imagine that. A natural spice delivering the same benefits as harsh medications, without the nasty side effects. Number 4. Turmeric. Next on the list we have turmeric. Turmeric has been used for centuries in traditional Indian medicine, and it's easy to see why. It is absolutely loaded with a compound called curcumin, which is an amazing compound when it comes to protecting your eyes. Curcumin is a potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory agent, making it a formidable against diseases like cataracts, glaucoma, and age-related macular degeneration. Some studies have even suggested that turmeric may be able to reverse certain types of vision loss caused by conditions like diabetic retinopathy. It doesn't get any better than that. And the best part is that incorporating turmeric into your diet is a breeze too. You can add it to your favorite dishes, whip up a turmeric latte, or even take it in supplement form. Just a little bit each day could go a long way in protecting and enhancing your vision. Moving on to number 5. Rosemary. Now, like turmeric, rosemary is an antioxidant powerhouse loaded with compounds like carnosic acid and rosmarinic acid. These natural compounds help neutralize the damaging free radicals that can wreak havoc on your eyes over time, contributing to conditions like cataracts and retinopathy. Some studies have shown that rosemary may even help shield the retina from the harmful effects of excessive blue light exposure, a major modern-day threat to our eyesight, thanks to all the screens we stare at daily. Number 6. Dandelion. You might think of dandelions as just normal plants, but this unassuming little thing is actually a powerful medicinal plant. That's right, dandelions pack a powerful nutritional punch that can do wonders for your eyes. First off, dandelions are an excellent source of two essential antioxidants, vitamin C and vitamin A. Vitamin C helps neutralize the free radicals that can damage your eyes over time, while vitamin A is crucial for maintaining healthy eyesight and preventing night blindness. But dandelions bring way more to the table than just antioxidant power. They're also loaded with other eye-friendly nutrients like zinc, which plays a vital role in transporting vitamin A from the liver to the eyes. Plus, dandelions contain lutein and zeaxanthin, two carotenoids that act like internal sunglasses, protecting your eyes from harmful blue light. Dandelions are also rich in a compound called beta-glucan, which has been shown to help regulate blood sugar levels. And you know what that means? Better blood sugar control can help prevent or slow the progression of diabetic retinopathy, a leading cause of vision loss in people with diabetes. Number 7. Fennel. Now, fennel might not be the first herb that springs to mind when you think about protecting your eyes. But this aromatic plant deserves a spot in the list, thanks to its impressive nutritional profile and unique therapeutic properties. Let's start with fennel's antioxidant power. This herb is loaded with flavonoid compounds like quercetin and rutin, which act as natural bodyguards for your eyes, shielding them from the damaging effects of free radicals and oxidative stress. It's also a rich source of vitamin C, a crucial nutrient that plays a vital role in maintaining healthy blood vessels in the eyes. Proper blood flow is essential for delivering oxygen and nutrients to your eyes, which we've already discussed. And lastly, we have Number 8. Chamomile. Have you ever wondered why something as simple as chamomile tea bags find their way into beauty and wellness tips for eye care? Well, that's because there's rarely any compound with so much benefits for your eyes as this. First off, chamomile is renowned for its anti-inflammatory properties, making it great for reducing eye puffiness. You know those mornings when you wake up, look in the mirror, and your eyes look as you've spent the entire night awake watching Netflix? Well, no worries. Chamomile to the rescue. A cool chamomile tea bag compress can reduce that swelling and make you look more awake and refreshed. It also has anti-irritant and antimicrobial properties. In a world where our eyes are glued to screens, battling dryness, redness, and irritation is a daily affair. Chamomile can soothe those tired, irritated eyes, offering a protective barrier against the harsh screen light and environmental aggressors. And let's not forget about its antioxidant qualities. Chamomile contains flavonoids that help protect our skin and the delicate area around our eyes from oxidative stress and damage, much like the herbs we've just discussed. So how can you harness the benefits of chamomile for your eyes? It's simple. Brew some chamomile tea, let the tea bags cool, and then place them over your eyes. Lie back, relax, and let the chamomile work its magic for about 10-15 minutes. You can also look for eye care products that list chamomile as an ingredient for a similar soothing effect. So that was all for this video. If you liked the video, why not like and subscribe? It's sure to help the channel and motivate me to continue doing what I do. If, on the other hand, you didn't like the video, please let me know in the comments below so that I can improve my mistakes. As always, you've all been fantastic. Stay tuned for more videos like this, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care, and goodbye.